Let's make this absolutely delicious Mediterranean flatbread. I used plain pizza dough by Trader Joe's. I'd always wanted to cook with this. You're going to start by flouring a surface. Let the dough sit out 30 minutes to rise. I think it's called proofing. Anyway, this is me pretending to be my cat and knead the dough. I'm not sure if it did anything, but that's what the other videos do. I couldn't find a rolling pin, so I'm using this cup. And since I couldn't get it into a perfect circle, we're going to do an oval and call it flatbread. I covered the crust first with some olive oil. This will help the crust get brown. And then I'm going to use Alfredo sauce as my base. I've had this jar forever and I needed to use it. Then I'm going to start with some salami. You can use whatever toppings you want, but this is what I had and it turned out really well. And next I'm going to use some pepperoni slices, putting it in some sort of pattern to make it look pretty for the pictures. Next, I'm going to add some fresh basil leaves. I got this package also from Trader Joe's. I cannot seem to keep a basil plant alive to save my life. And then I sliced up a red bell pepper, and I'm going to sprinkle that over the top. And for my last topping, I'm going to use some feta cheese. Again, it's been in my fridge for way too long, and I needed to use it. So, I absolutely love feta, and it made a really good topping for this flatbread. I baked it for 15 minutes at 475. This is what it looks like when it came out of the oven. It smelled so good. Since I had a little bit of olive oil left over, I'm just going to drizzle that over the top. Some balsamic glaze that is actually one of my anniversary presents. I'm going to drizzle that over the top as well. I never have patience to make it from scratch, so I buy it in a bottle. But this is my flatbread. It's the first time making it, and I was super proud of myself. If you like this video, please like and follow for more. Thanks.